Good morning, YouTube. This is Chuck Jennels. I want to thank you for stopping by. What you're looking at here is an electric motor. Okay, guys, so let's get started on this. We'll try to get all these 3 or 4 bolts off the end bells, and they're interesting end bells. They're all aluminum. Both of them are aluminum, and there's 4 bolts attaching the end bells together. So we're going to get after this and get those bolts out of there, get the nut off the end of it. Not sure why I didn't use a power tool on this, but I didn't. So anyhow, this makes it exciting. You can watch it in slow motion. So onward and upward. Gone through mics like crazy. Anyhow, keep going. I haven't seen any bolts for 1 inch or one horse. Okay, there we go. So those are all out. Take this cap off of here also. That looks like a quarter. This is an Emerson motor. This is the cap over. Okay. That's steel. And let's do this. I don't think it's loaded. Cap. This is of no use. Okay. Let me examine this a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna pull this one end bell off, and I think the armature is going to come right with it looking at it. So, oh yeah, so there's Mr. Armature. Here's the hole. How about that? So, give this a go. Now we've got both end bells, and so. Cut these off. Alright, good. Someone tried to pull that really bad. Hang on to this. Okay guys, I just drove this other end bell off. You can tell here everything tried to come with it, so we'll get all this off of here, and this will go to aluminum. And as will this eventually. We got switches here with brass, and we got insulated wire. Okay guys, we're just going to pull these wires here. They have the clips on the end, and they just pull right off. And it's really easy, and some of these are soldered in, so we got to cut those off. And that's what I'm doing now, is removing those insulated wires, and that will go to insulated wire. I've got a whole bucket over here that I'm taking them to, so that's where they're going to end up. And we've got a couple more items here. We've got this switch and the centrifugal contactor in there, and I'll take the screws out of that, and then we'll have those to work with to get the contacts off. So this motor's so old, it's hard to get apart, so I got my handy tool. Get this switch out. Okay, so we got the bearing there and the bearing there. Switch. So as you might have seen, I had ended up with seven silver contacts and a bunch of brass, and here's some more brass here that I took apart. This all came out of the switches. So there's nothing here but steel. That's plastic. I think that's plastic. Yep. These are aluminum. The two end valves, wherever the other one went. And I've been through 3 mics so far. And not good, not happy. So I had 2 wireless mics and a corded mic. So we'll keep going with the camera mic and see what that does. All right, be back. You're looking at my bench. I've got my hand socks off, and I need to drive this bearing out of here if I can. That's a keyed bearing, I think. Let's take a look here. Let's try to drive that cap out of there, I guess. Go all the way through it. The cap. What is it? Ooh, boy, that's hard. get this cap off here. Yike. I'm going to try to get this out here. You won't be able to see this, but a little smaller punch. And there's a brass bushing in here. I'd really like to get out of them. We'll take that. That worked just dandy, didn't it? Now, other than being horribly dirty, and that is cast aluminum. This whole thing's cast, so I'll go in the cast aluminum bucket and be back. Hey guys, this is the other end bell and bearing and seals. We're going to try to pop him. Oh, almost. Oh, this is quite the deal here. Let's see, I need. I think we're going to go. Did with the other one. That is. There's a. Pretty sure that's a steel bushing. It's a chunk of cast aluminum. Yeah. Cotton packing. Oh, the bearing's still in there. What we got here? Yeah. Just like looking at the command there. Huh? Okay guys, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cut this case in half in 2 places, and it's so noisy with this cutoff wheel that I just had to do something different. So I'm doing a voiceover here rather than letting you listen to this grinder just cut away. And it's doing a good job, as you can see. And that's going to be about 1/2 there, or close to it. Looks like the blade ran. So we'll have to do it again. And that looks pretty good right there. That looks good. Yep, there it is. Maybe right there we missed. So we'll go again. All right, that's it. Fan wheel. I like that. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe, and definitely come back again. And stay blessed and stay safe out there. Thank you so much for watching.